Alright guys, how's it going? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert polygons, or perhaps a Bezier curve, to bones. Now in traditional fashion, we'll delete the cube. I'll press Shift and A and I'll bring in a circle. Now what I'll do here is I'll drop the vertices down to 12 so we can see what we're doing. I'll then come to the modifier, which is here in the spanner. I'll add in the modifier and I'll add a skin modifier. Now you can immediately see it's skinned the object, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide it for one moment and then I'm going to select Create Armature. And you can immediately see the results. Effectively what it does is it converts the polygons to bones. Now if I select the green man, drop down the viewport display, I can change the display type. So we'll select octahedral, and if we need a little bit more control we can always enable name. And that lets us know exactly where the root bone is and where the end bone is. Now the root bone is essentially started here, and I'll show you how you can actually control this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly start a new scene. Traditional fashion, we'll delete the cube and I'll add in a plane. I'll tab into edit mode and I'm actually going to select these two vertices and I'll hit delete. And that leaves us a 2-point poly change. So I'll select the last point, I'll press E to extrude and I'll just do a quick extrusion. Now I'm not looking for an award, but waiter, call me. I'll deselect everything. I'll jump into object mode. I'll repeat the last process, which was add modifier, skin. I'll hide the mesh and I'll create the armature. Now in theory this should be the root bone and it should go all the way down, which is brilliant. So again I can quickly come to the green man, viewport display, change the display type. You can always change it to anything you want. And this is our root bone here. But what if we want to actually make the chain go the opposite direction, so from left to right? So I'll quickly undo the skin modifier and I'll jump into edit mode and I'm going to select this point. This essentially tells Blender, look, make this the root bone, go in this direction. And you can now see in the skin modifiers we now have mark root. So I'll select that, I'll jump back into object mode and I'll create the armature. I'll just change the view type again and you can now see this is actually our root bone. We can double check it here in the armature. There we go. So this is a very useful technique, especially when you're rigging complex shapes. Now this can actually be applied to a Bezier curve, so I'll just quickly do it one last time for you guys. Delete the cube, add in a mesh, I'll add in a curve, I'll do a Bezier curve, jump into edit mode, I'll select the last point and I'll just quickly do an extrusion. Let me just quickly fix these curves so we have nothing pretty harsh. Jump back into object mode. If you're using a curve, you actually need to convert this to a mesh. So come to object, convert, mesh from curve, and we now have a mesh. Just keep in mind you might need to duplicate this, otherwise you'll lose it. Repeat the exact same process, skin, create armature. I'll quickly hide the box. And again, viewport display, octahedral, and we get this epic bone chain. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter because I've got no mates. You know what to do. Peace.